Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this halftone on Adobe Illustrator. So select the fill and use the gradient fill um for the color for the shape, sorry. Can I press on this? Thank you. And you're just going to adjust it. You can add more, you can adjust more and stuff like that. Okay, all right. Then for the halftone part of it, you're going to go to effects, whoops, go to pixelate and select halftone, the color halftone one. Make the max radius at 10 and everything else at 50. Whoops, what? I don't know why it pasted that. Okay, then you're going to press OK. And you can basically adjust the halftones using the gradient tool here, like that. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can create this halftone effect on Adobe Illustrator. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.